Hey traders, welcome back to my journal. You know it already, Ovidus here as usual. I'm always excited to be here, but today I am extra excited, and that's because we're kicking off officially our funding journey. If you watched my last video, I talked about getting myself a funded challenge and trying to scale up from there. This is my first attempt at funding challenges since 2023, around the end of 2023. So I said I'll be buying the challenge today and I'll be walking you through the whole process with full transparency, documenting all the trades, documenting my thought process, having some real talk with all of you. Um, so without any further ado, let's get into my screen and get this challenge. So actually, I already bought the challenge. I already did all the processing and stuff. And that's because I totally forgot that I was meant to record it. Like the moment I just said, okay, let me get this challenge, I just went ahead to buy it, forgetting that I was meant to document this actually. So I already got it. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just go into my screen and show you how the whole process is. That's if you're interested in getting a funded next account, you might be interested in what I'm about to show you. So yeah, welcome to my screen. Yeah, this is my chart code, but we don't need it right now. So this is funded next. I really love their website. Their website is clean and straight to the point. Right now, I'm going to be getting the $6,000 account, and that's because I want to start with the littlest thing I can get. So, like I said, I already got this account. That's why you can see already I have the login for the phase one challenge. I already went ahead to buy the accounts, but I just want to show you the challenges I had while trying to pay. And something funny happened. Something funny happened, but just stay tuned. I'll show you what happened. So, I tried to get the account. I went to start the challenge, and from here, I selected the 6K plan, of course, FT5. I didn't add any add-on because I'm not interested. Let me just pass the account and get the payout. So, get started. So initially, I tried to use Google Pay, and when I tried to use Google Pay, they said something about the limits of my bank, whatever. But bottom line is they didn't let me use my Google Pay account. So I had to default to using crypto. So I went ahead to um, Bybit to do peer-to-peer trading, and I bought it at 1,559 naira per dollar. Ended up paying 95,000 naira for this $6,000 account. So after that happened, I now went back to Funded Next. So yes, I used a coupon code that gave me a few percentage off, and I think the name of the coupon code was Prop Funding Review, if I'm correct. Nah, that's not it. So I will paste the coupon code on the screen. But yeah, I used the coupon code and it gave me a few percentage off. When you select crypto, you're going to be paying an extra $1 for the transaction fee. So when I used this coupon code, it took me back to about 60 point something dollars. Mind you, I got roughly $61. And the reason why I got 61 was so transaction fees and all were recovered. But by the time I decided to send to crypto, I realized that the transaction fee was $2, and that took my expected payment up to about $61 plus. But when I applied the coupon code that I'm pasting on the screen right now, it's reduced that back to 60 point something dollars. But regardless, when I did my transfer here, I did my transfer and this was how much went through, about $59. Meanwhile, I was meant to deposit exactly $60, 60.8. That was what I was meant to deposit. When I did my transaction with the commission and everything, so $59 I went through. But the interesting thing about FundedNext was they still processed this transaction for me. They still allowed it go through. Like they allowed me to pay 59, when I was meant to pay 60.8. So they literally gave me an extra discount. That was very amazing to see because I was worried that the fact that I've already made the transaction, there might be a disturbance, an error that I'll have to get my money back and send it again, get that kind of thing. But yeah, they just told me that I could go through, and that was it. They sent me my mail that congratulations on your successful purchase of the two-step Stellar account, $6,000. This is your login, and blah 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 blah. Thank you very much. So yes, that's how the whole transaction process went, and I found myself back to my dashboard with my account. That being said, this is funded next. This is the dashboard. This is what it looks like. I have a $600 loss, max overall loss. Then my daily loss is about $300, which I should never touch. Then profit target is, why am I saying 480? If I'm correct, profit target is meant to be 10%, but I'm saying minimum 480. Is it 8%? Let me see. Oh, it's 8%. So I'm meant to make $480 on the phase one. For some reason, that just makes it very interesting. They're giving you more loss and less profit to make. But yeah, as you can see, start date March 20th. That's today's date. March 20th, 2025. And I'll be starting this challenge. I'll start trading as soon as possible, as soon as tomorrow. If I see a very nice setup, I'm going to take it. But here's the beautiful thing here. I'll be sharing every setup I'm planning to take on my Telegram group and on my WhatsApp community. I don't like, those are just the places I have about 3 to 4 people that I share my trade with. Very rarely though. But with this challenge, I'll be sharing every trade I take. I might not always share it before entry, but I will share it and explain why I took those trades. So if you're interested, I have a Linktree link down below with all my socials down there. Feel free to click the link, join me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, also subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and let's get into it. So guys, that's all about me getting the funded account. Right now we're in motion and we are ready. I'll be releasing a video by tomorrow, yeah, about my plan, my risk plan, my psychology plan, and how I plan to scale. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification if you feel like, and make sure you come back and follow along with this journey because it's going to be very interesting. Remember, all my wins, all my losses, all my emotions will be let out on this channel, hiding nothing basically. This is my journal. This is for me. So if you decide to watch, fine. But this is for me. So I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.